16JL. Really nice launch, really like that. And the back pair, Yora, I really like your move on the 16. Doesn't look like you're going around the corner so much at the start. It looks like you guys have really good tight compress between you on the back. The front pair, this constellation is really good. This build is excellent. It's built in pretty much on the right line. Yeah, everyone's backs are parallel, and we get a really good series of targets. 1, 2, 3. Nice. The other one, however, suffers from a problem at the build. There we go. So it's more of a fan shape, the hips moving out, and Otto, you kind of rotated this direction. So now your move is way harder than it needs to be, because if your back was at this line here, your move out is 45 degrees less of movement, so you're working against this one, and so it puts you guys behind, which is where you don't want to be on this block. You need to be slightly ahead. So again here, pretty nice. See how all the spines are parallel at the beginning of the block. And there we go. So it looks like it's going, Nadia, it looks like you're stepping a little too far forward. The line, remember, you're already on axis. We need the compress to build between Matthew and Nadia. So Matthew would rotate to the right 45 degrees and stay in place. Nadia, you'd turn to your right 22.5 degrees and stay in place. And then it would build on that line. But you see how it kind of steps off axis slightly. And then Otto, it looks like you kind of give your hip to Yora. Just step in and hold the line so that you don't have that momentum now moving away from where you need to go. So it looks like you kind of check the hip to Yora and then you move away. So just slide gently into the compressed on the line where it should be, and then you'll find it a lot easier to get going. And that's pretty much why you're having an issue on the block this way around. See this, how Nadia just kind of steps, cruises in. She has a little bit of a rotation, but nowhere near as much as you did. And she's ready to move out the center. Well, little brain lock from Nadia. Again there. So it's control the hips. Like your left knee, Otto, is going to pretty much stay there. Please spend a bit more time cruising into the build, Otto, on your B slot 16 build. Okay, hopefully that's clear.